Deep in the heart of the wild, where the rivers twist and the forests breathe, legends of scale and strength come alive. Today, we embark on a journey to meet the giants of the serpent world, one by one. Each of these colossal reptiles tells a story of survival, power, and mystery. So fasten your boots, steady your nerves, and step into the shadows of the jungle. This is not just a safari, it's a face-to-face encounter with the largest snakes in the world. Welcome to the adventure. Let's begin. Green Anaconda. The Amazon's silent titan, shorter than some, but the heaviest snake on Earth. It can grow up to 30 feet in length and weigh between 113 to 250 kilograms. Reticulate python. The master of length, stretching beyond 30 feet, the longest snake in the world. It also grows up to 30 feet long and weighs up to 160 kilograms. Burmese python. A gentle giant turned invader, majestic in Asia, but a menace in Florida's wetlands. They grow up to 23 feet long and weighs up to 90 kilograms. Indian python. India's own serpent monarch, powerful, patient, and revered across the subcontinent. They grow up to 20 feet long and weighs up to 68 kilograms. Boa constrictor. The classic constrictor, smaller than its cousins, yet deadly precise in its grip. It grows up to 13 feet long and weighs between 25 to 45 kilograms. King cobra. The jungle's venomous royalty, longest of the deadly snakes, feared and respected alike. It grows up to 20 feet long and weighs up to 10 kilograms. African rock python. Africa's colossal predator, muscular, aggressive, and a true force of nature. It grows up to 23 feet long and weighs up to 115 kilograms. Amethystine python. The shimmering giant of Australia, sleek, strong, and cloaked in iridescent scales. They grow up to 23 feet long and weighs up to 90 kilograms. Thank you, children, for being the real troopers today. We will be back with another reptile series.